Today is the day that you are gonna learn how to launch your own meme coin in Solana completely free. As you know, we have several launchpads available to launch our meme coins for free, but in this case, I will let you know how to launch it and how to make as much money as possible just spending a few Solana. In this case, I'm going to show you how to do it on LetsBonk because it's the one picking up more right now with more tokens, more volume, and with more opportunities to make some money. Let's start directly with the process. To launch in here on LetsBonk, we just need to click on launch token, and here we need to enter different information. The first thing will be the token logo. I might use the REC logo here. The token name will be REC and the symbol will be REC. I think I'm gonna use real estate crypto crowdfunding because I mean REC is short for the crypto crowdfunding, so I might use that as name and REC will be the ticker. Then we can add a description, we can add social links. These are the key if you wanna get snipers and bots buying your token. The more legit you make it look like, it will work much better. So I'm gonna add here a random Telegram, even if it doesn't exist, the same that on Twitter, so it looks more legit. And then we can select which platform we are launching. In this case, I will recommend you just to launch on LetsBonk memes because you know it has more volume. Right now, LetsBonk has more volume than PumpFan, which is crazy, but that's why it's the best moment. Also, it's really important that you can print money in two ways. You can buy your own token and then sell it when it pumps, or you can also make money with the trading fees. Actually, LetsBonk has a pretty decent share fee, so you can print like $1,000 with a token if it gets millions in volume. So it's really cool. In this case, we can buy the token with our own wallet, which will be a bundle, not as effective as using a Smithii bundler, but I'm gonna buy one sol, for example. We will see how it goes. So now we just need to click on create token and our token will be launched in seconds. We need to sign the transaction. We are paying one sol, which will be the buying amount, and we are launching. Here we have the token created. This is the contract address. So I'm going to copy it and post about it as well. I'm going to put it here. It's really important that people see that it looks legit, so we want to make it as legit as possible. And our token is launched. So let's see. Okay, right now we are in 20%. The goal is to complete the compounding curve. So the best way to incentivize more people coming in and buying, we want to pump it even more because we will be making money as people buy and sell. So for that, the perfect tool to make your token trend, to attract more buyers, is to improve the metrics. To improve the metrics, you need to bring volume, buyers, and more trades in. For that, the tool we got you covered with is Bonk Volume Bot. In here, you can boost your token and attract as much makers and volume as you want just by filling a few inputs here. So we need to paste our contract address, which is this one here, and we just need to select how much makers we want, how much volume we want, and how much we want to spend for sure, and in how much time we want to boost this volume. I'm at go high, so I will put 150 makers and as much volume as possible because I prefer volume rather than makers. I will be just spending 0.3 Solana for getting this amount of makers. So wait, I'm changing this. Okay, no. I'm going just to pay 0.5 Solana for getting 150 buyers and 20 Solana in volume, which is a lot. The bot will go buy and sell all the time until it completes all these metrics. So we just need to click on start bot and confirm. Now we will see here the logs and we will see how they start pumping the token. As you can see, most bots went out for sure because they bought and sold, but we will start to bring them again just by making the token go active. Okay, let's see. The bot is starting. It takes a few minutes. Okay, it's normal, don't worry. Starting maker 1, maker 2, and it will start buying and selling. Okay, here we can see for now we keep getting buys and sales. Guys, so it's been a few minutes. We keep pumping. As you can see, the market maker bot, it's taking effect. We are getting people buying and selling all the time. We are on 30% of the bonding curve and we are sitting on 23,000 market cap. So as you can see, this is how easily you can launch your own token, make it pump and send it to the moon, even to 1 million market cap if you wanted to. You can do the same, play the same strategy on PumpFan, on LetsBonk, on LaunchLab, wherever you want, it will work the same because at the end of the day, this is matter of attention, and if you know how to get it, your token will pump and you will be printing a shit ton of money. So that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.